The 360 S9 Robot Vacuum. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the 360 S9 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum cleaner falls on the higher end price range, and it can vacuum and mop. I will go over specs, features, show how the robot works, and give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user manual, 4 universal plugs, a replacement side brush, the mop bracket and pads, the charging dock and plug, and the remote. The S9 features an ultrasonic and LiDAR dual eye system, laser mapping, vacuum and mop. It has a 5200 mAh battery that can run up to 3 hours. It can do about 2,000 square feet on a single charge. And it has app integration with a ton of features that I will go over shortly. On the top of the vacuum, you'll find the LiDAR sensor, recharge and regional cleaning button, and right below that is the cleaning and power button. Lifting up the top lid, you'll have access to the dustbin and water tank. The dustbin has a brush along with a HEPA filter that is washable and can last up to 6 months depending on use. On the front, you'll find the infrared sensor and a protection strip that acts like a bumper. To the right is the wall sensor, and on the back it has the contacts for the charging dock. Taking a look at the bottom, you'll find the wheels, sensors, side brush, and the main brush. Now let's see the robot at work. Here it is approaching the charging dock.
Charging. Start working.
This also has app integration as mentioned. You can download the 360 Smart Robot app. Once downloaded, you have full access to all the features. Upon the initial run, it will start to map out the rooms, and you can monitor the progress on the app along with saving the maps. You can see it has no problems transitioning from hardwood floors to rugs, and it will systematically run a zigzag pattern. In the app, you can also create virtual walls and no-go zones. Here you can see I created a no-go zone near the bike, and it's able to navigate around it. It is also smart enough to navigate around obstacles, and it will stop if there are stairs. Now you can see it transition from the hardwood floors to a carpeted room. It does it with ease, and you can adjust the power of the vacuum from quiet, standard, powerful, and max. tiles are no problem, as you can see here. Now let's look at the mop feature. I have attached a bracket along with the pad. It just snaps into place, and I have filled the tank with water. You can also adjust the mop settings in the app for water usage from low, medium, and high. This is on the low setting. And this is the amount of dirt it collected in my 1 week of use, running it every day. Now briefly taking a look at the app, you can select from a list of maps that the vacuum has generated from its runs. You can clean the rooms in a specific order by just clicking each one. There are settings for the mop and vacuum runs, so you can specify the settings for each room. In the Tools option, you can view the history, maintenance, general settings, map settings, just to name a few. All are straightforward and work with no issues. The 360 S9 robot vacuum cleaner worked as advertised. The vacuum feature is excellent and powerful. It is able to pick up dirt, dust, and debris with no issues. And you can navigate floors, rugs, and carpets. The mop feature is a bonus as well, as it cleans very good. The app feature is packed, and I definitely like the mapping feature, as it gives you a good visualization of the areas and you can modify to add virtual walls and zones. If you are in the market for a robot vacuum, this is definitely worth it in my opinion. So that is my review of the 360 S9 robot vacuum. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.